everybody. Welcome to March and another video for Tasty Explorations. This month's book is called Eating Out Loud by Eden Grinshpan. I think is how you say it, Grinshpan. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. And I really like this book. It's actually another Middle Eastern flavor book, which if you got last month's book, that was also had a Middle Eastern feel to it. So I picked two in a row. Sorry about that. But the fun part about this book is she is half Israeli, so a lot of recipes with influence from Israel, which I found really interesting and different. I hadn't spent a lot of time looking at recipes involving that country in particular. So it's a very beautiful book. Lots of really nice photographs, very bright. I love it when you can see the food and it feels as fun or as flavorful as the recipes themselves. It's, I think, well written, very simple. She's obviously a joyous person, the author, so I really enjoyed that. The recipe that I tried is, excuse me, it's called lamb shakshuka with lemony yogurt. So a very bright, vibrant dish. It smelled amazing, and I don't know if you have tried, I think in Italy they call it eggs in purgatory, and it's basically very similar to this recipe, where you make a really rich tomato sauce out of fresh tomatoes and paste and oil and spices, and you cook that up in a pan, and then you add eggs to it and basically poach the eggs in the sauce. So I have made that many times for my family, and this is a version of that with ground lamb meat thrown in. So very similar, but really a little bit of a heartier meal. I feel like it made probably a better dinner than a breakfast, although you could eat it for breakfast. So yeah, I really like this book, and she definitely loves the tahini sauce, which I don't know, I've never been a big fan of it, so it's kind of funny how she admits that that's her thing, and it is used in a lot of the recipes. So that may be something that is not something that really appeals to me, but she definitely is a big fan. So if you like that sauce, then you will like this book as well. So yeah, if you're interested and you want some bright, happy, fun recipes with fresh foods that will brighten your day, stop on in the library. We'll get you a copy. You can check it out and try them for yourself. It's also time for another Spice Club spice. So this one is anise. That is our spice for the month of March. So you can come on in and get your little info sheet and your little sample. There's a nice biscotti recipe on the back, so you can make some little breakfast treats there with this recipe. So stop on by, come and get the book and the spice, and we'd love to hear from you and see what you've made. Otherwise, I hope you all are happy and healthy and are looking forward to cooking in the kitchen, and we'll see you next time. Bye.